Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I was out here just doing something, up to a little gardening mischief, and I thought to myself, I'll bet these people would like to know what I'm doing. So what am I doing? Well, right here, that is some spent alfalfa cubes from my last little alfalfa tea I made. And then I have some boxes left over from the move. We're putting those down. I've got a little bit of straw under those too to break down. So we're putting those down, and that'll suppress any weeds that'll come up. It provides carbon and gives some food for the worms. Then you have a big old hit of nitrogen with that spent alfalfa. And then let me take you over and show you what else I'm going to do. So what I have here is the compost. And this is even a little bit better than compost. It's basically potting mix at this point because I do a lot of container growing as well. So I like to have something I can just throw in a pot. And this stuff's great because it's full of worms and microbes and everything, because the whole time it's just sitting here touching the rest of the life, the microorganisms and all that mycorrhiza and everything. It's all in here, it's living, and that is what I call living soil, because it's made over here with this nice fresh compost that's breaking down. This compost right here isn't even a week old, and look at how nice and broken down it's already starting to get. I mean, look right under these fresh onions that I threw in there. I mean, that's beautiful stuff. So now I'm just going to get myself a nice little couple of shovels full and throw them on that new bed I'm making. I spread all this alfalfa waste here, and it's nice and evenly over the cardboard. Now I'm going to take this 5-gallon bucket of compost, throw it all over the top, and no, it won't be ready to go, but it will be ready to sit. I have my water here. I've spread out the compost to basically just cover all of the cardboard right now. This is not being made to plant in immediately. This one I want to sit for a little bit, and I'm basically making a giant worm factory. Now I can make it plantable easily enough. I just have to compost up high enough and then just plant in some really shallow rooted vegetables, like maybe some lettuce or something like that. But it's not even the right season right now to start planting some lettuce. I could just cover crop it, which is what I probably will do after I load another little bit of compost on here. I will be building it up with some more compost over time. I'll let it sit for a couple of weeks before I even think of doing anything. But what will probably happen in here is we'll put some cover crop in some areas, and then in other areas we'll put in some nice shallow rooted leafy greens, even if it's the wrong time, because they'll work basically like a cover crop. So with that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.